Here's this cool trains in Montreal. Looks like I got a train here on Cardinal Avenue. Right near, yeah, I do. Right here, Hobby Junction, which is unfortunately closing. I'm gonna double stack on the CP side. Here at about 4:30 p.m. on a Saturday afternoon on a fairly cold day. January 22nd, 2022. A slow moving double stack headed east. Maybe this is 143, not sure. 142 rather. Just got out of the store. I have a few models that I want them to work on for me before they close down. Kind of a shame that they're closing because there's no real stores left in Montreal after Eastbound went down, and Van Horn Hobbies in Laval. The guy is fairly old, can't find someone who's gonna take over the store, so that's gonna go soon as well. So it's gonna be harder and harder to find hobby supplies in the Montreal area. Kind of a shame, but that's the way it goes. And I did manage to get a good deal on a Walters kit while I was there, and got one of my locomotives serviced, which is one good thing about local hobby shops that I will miss is service, getting couplers fixed, getting locomotives looked at, make sure they're properly lubricated. There's a CN train in the background too. Look at that. Not a really good spot for that, but what are you gonna do? Got some auto racks in the back there, and double stacks up front. Man, the CP train is really crawling. Oh, here comes the DPU on the CN side, I think. Yep. You can see my breath, it's so cold. It's a very cold day, minus 18 or 19 today, with no wind though, so it's okay. That's manageable. Pretty unbelievable that the train is crawling like that. Too slow. Wait a minute, I'm just gonna walk up the street. I gotta go get to my bus on the other side of the tracks at the Pine Beach train station. And that's the end of the CN train. So I'm just gonna walk along since that CP train is going so slow. Just walking along Cardinal Avenue here in Dorval. Here's Pine Beach. And it looks like this train has stopped. Oh, it's still crawling. Just barely crawling, isn't it? Yeah, there it is. And there it is there. Well, it's pretty much stopped. There might be another train coming soon. Well, it looks like it's starting to move again. So I keep wondering if this is gonna move a little more, or if it's just gonna run down my battery. Yeah, it looks like it stopped. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.